In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to group and ungroup items quickly and easily. Grouping is a really useful feature when you're working with multiple elements and want to manage them as a single unit. Instead of moving, resizing or adjusting each item one at a time, grouping lets you combine them so they stay together. This can save time, keep your layout organized, and make editing much smoother. To group items, start by selecting the elements you want to combine. The easiest way to do this is to hold down Shift while clicking on each item. As you click, each element will be added to your selection, allowing you to choose exactly what you want included in the group. Take a moment here to make sure you've selected everything you need before moving on, because only the highlighted items will be grouped together. Once your items are selected, look for the floating toolbar that appears near your selection. On that toolbar, click Group. As soon as you do that, those separate elements will become one grouped object. From that point on, when you click on the group, it will behave as a single item, which is especially helpful for keeping designs aligned and organized. If you prefer keyboard shortcuts, there's an even faster way to do it. After selecting your items, press Ctrl and G on Windows or Command and G on Mac. This performs the same action instantly and is a great option if you want to speed up your workflow. Now, if you need to separate those items again later, ungrouping is just as simple. Click on the grouped elements to select the group. Then, from the floating toolbar, choose Ungroup. This will break the group apart and return each element to its individual state, so you can edit or move them separately again. You can also use a keyboard shortcut for ungrouping. With the group selected, press Shift, Ctrl and G on Windows or Shift, Command and G on Mac. That will ungroup the elements right away. A good tip to keep in mind is to use grouping whenever you're working with related items that should stay together, and ungroup only when you need to make changes to individual pieces. Once you get comfortable with these commands, switching between grouped and ungrouped elements becomes very fast and natural. That's how to group and ungroup items efficiently.